Thank you. Thank you for choosing you. Thank you for creating the space in time to allow yourself this journey, to allow yourself the opportunity to enjoy this moment of now. Today we are going to go on a very short yet incredibly powerful journey, one that I highly recommend you enjoy daily. Set your alarm 10 minutes early each morning and listen to this meditation before you get out of bed. Align yourself with the truth to who you are and the unlimited capability to achieve and experience even your wildest of dreams. So go ahead and make yourself comfortable now, and we will journey straight in to an activation of DNA on a cellular level beyond anything you have ever experienced. This journey is specifically for you and to be enjoyed by you in this very moment of now. So take a moment to relax, to settle in. When you are ready, press play once again to begin. You feel a presence behind you, a warmth that is familiar to you, a feeling of weightlessness. Existing without limitation, without separation. Safe, secure, and loved. And as you turn, as this presence gets ever closer, turning to see that warmth as it radiates down upon you, to feel it, to embody it, to be submerged within it. Turn round now, as the light, brighter than 1,000 suns, washes over you, submerging you in that warm embrace. And watch as it fills your heart and overflows, cascading down, integrating into every cell in your body, sparking and activating every strand of your DNA. And go ahead and lock it in place within your heart, knowing that it is fully and completely integrated. And watch as it continues to fill your entire being, cleansing, purifying, and revitalizing your source connection, your soul's connection to itself, and that vital, eternal, unlimited, and unconditional source energy that is love. Lock it into your entire being. Go ahead now and just continue to allow as that love fills you and permeates into the surroundings around you, filling the entire room. And as it continues to flow through you, it speeds up as it continues to expand and to flow from you to your entire building, your entire street, the village, the town, the city, the state, the county, the region, the country, the continent, until it permeates around the entire globe. And watch as it connects to that final point, coming together, spherical and united forever. Zip. Lock that in place and continue to expand this love to the furthest reaches, the solar system, the galaxy, and the entire universe, all the way back to the very start of time, and all the way forwards to the very start of time. Knowing that in this moment of now, you are responsible for the reforming and redistribution of that vital life force energy. We are so very grateful to you for taking this journey with us. We invite you to start to actually come back into the room, back into your body, and feeling as that being of infinite potential, of love and of light, is housed within your avatar self, able to use and experience this existence through this amazing gift of a body and the adventure we call life. Thank you, with all of my heart and soul. I stand beside you now and forever. I leave you feeling grounded, cleansed, purified, secure, loved. The very definition of unconditional acceptance and love. Be sure to share this amazing journey with all like-minded souls. And I look forward to the next time that you join me, to tune in, to tune out, as we enjoy this magical adventure, one breath at a time.